Taiwan excellence. A brand of hope and quality in a world of difference. We create, innovate, never fake, the best made in Taiwan. Cause we are Taiwan excellence. Whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, oh, whoa. Taiwan excellence. Whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, oh, whoa. Every vision, every dream in Taiwan excellence. We still unite all companies in a world of excellence. We create, innovate, never fake, the best made in Taiwan. Cause we are Taiwan excellence. Whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, oh, whoa. Taiwan excellence. Whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, oh, whoa. 'Cause we are, we are, we are. We are, we are, we are. We are, we are, we are. Say, we are, we are, we are. Whoa, Taiwan excellence. Whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, oh, whoa. Taiwan excellence. Whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, oh, whoa. Taiwan excellence. Whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, oh, whoa. Taiwan excellence. Whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, oh, whoa. Taiwan excellence.
Harana Jeep lighting the stage on fire with that powerful performance, and now get ready to be uplifted. This time they're sharing a message of hope and finding joy in the midst of life's challenges. So let's welcome back the incredible Harana Jeep with their song, Inay.
Ate, kuya, nakita niyo ba yung nanay ko? Naglalako lang siya dito kanina eh. Baka naman makita niyo. Pag nakita niyo, bilhan niyo siya. Hindi pa kasi siya umuwi eh. Salamat! Penoy, mani-mani kayo dyan. Balood, mani-mani kayo dyan. Penoy, mani-mani kayo dyan. Balood, mani-mani kayo dyan. Kapag may isinuksok ay merong matutupot. Yan ang mga linyahan ng inay na di malimot. Pag-aaral at tupagi ang palagi niyang bili, pagkat ito lang daw ang pamanang di mananakaw sa ating Penoy. Mani-mani kayo dyan. Balood, mani-mani kayo dyan. Penoy, mani-mani kayo dyan. Balood, mani-mani kayo dyan. Pag maliit ang kumot, matutong mamaluktot. Basta't sa parang pagkain at pambili ng gamot. Lahat ay inilako, matupad lang mga pangako. Ginawang gabi ang araw, makabenta lang ng balot. Penoy, mani-mani kayo dyan. Balood, mani-mani kayo dyan. Penoy, mani-mani kayo dyan. Balood, mani-mani kayo dyan. Kung ano ang iyong tinanim ay may sharing aanihin. Magandang asal ang pabaon ng inay sa amin. Ngayon nga'y nakatapos, kami ay nairaos dahil sa balot. Penoy, mani-mani kayo dyan. Balot, mani-mani kayo dyan.
Nay!
Woo! Thank you so much, Ken. Thank you for sharing that powerful performance, and what a beautiful reminder that even in the toughest of times, there is always hope and there is always time to invite your songwriter partner on stage with us and talk a little bit more about your song. So tell us what inspired you to write that beautiful, beautiful song.
Ayun po. Sa totoo lang po ay nahirapan po talaga kami sa pagsusulat nitong pang grand final song namin.
Totoo po yun. Talagang na-pressure kami sa very limited time. And at the same time, napalabas talaga yung aming talent and the same time yung aming out-of-the-box thinking. Yan po.
Absolutely. Well, I'm sure the time pressure really, really worked because you guys were able to pull off the impossible. So thank you very much, Harana Jeeb. Thank you for sharing also such an inspiring message. And now let's also hear what our judges have to say about your extraordinary performance. Let's begin with Mr. Kian.
Harana Jeeb. Grabe yun. Grabe yun. Hindi ko siya in-expect na ganun yung makikita ko sa inyo. Alam mo yun? Parang, alam ko magaling kayo. Pero, pinakita mo na A-game eh. Pinakita mo na, matindi. Matindi yung sinet mo dyan sa entablado na yan. 'Di ba? At nakakatuwa at nakakilala ako ng ganyang klaseng pagsusulat na kanta. Na dahil napaka-unique, hindi lahat kayang isulat yung kwento na kung ano yung kinikwento nyo. Kaya yun yung masasabi ko, napaka-special nyo. Diba? And yeah, sana marami pa kami marinig pa na mga kanta. I'm sure makikita tayo sa industriya na to. Congratulations, ang galing nyo.
Thank you very much.
Thank you po.
Thank you very much, Kian. He's right. You absolutely put your original stamp on this stage tonight. And now let's ask what Mr. Paulo has to say.
Najib, you stayed true to your, genre. Na it was, parang, nung second song nyo, sobrang natuwa ako kasi kakaibang reggae, kakaibang island, kakaibang, I don't know eh. So sabi ko nung listening to your song, sobrang galing. And their storytelling was straight to the point, and everyone could relate. And I want, ang ganda ng play of words nyo na you had to, mane, balot, yung hardship na, di ba, hirap kasi magbenta ng ganun late na gabi. No, people would go out of their, na during the day, maglalaba siya, whatever, tapos pagdating sa gabi, kailangan magtrabaho pa rin sa mga anak. You know, what parents would do for their kids, they'll do anything. And that's the core value we always instill to our kids.
Thank you po.
Na very good storytelling. I love your Taiwan Excellence song. Very inspirational. The energy from start to finish was impeccable. And of course, Ken's vocals, my gosh. Hanep. Kayong duo kayo, nahubog na kayo ng panahon. Na you really know one another. You really know how to work together seamlessly. So, I commend you guys for it. Very good.
Thank you po.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Paulo. He's right. Kuwang-kuha nyo ang mga puso ng ating audience tonight. And now, let's hear from Miss Yang.
Hello! Harana Jeeb!
Hello po.
Hello po.
Ay! Tuwan-tuwa ako sa inyo sa dalawang kantang ipinarinig nyo sa amin ngayong gabing ito. Pero una ko munang kokomentohan, syempre, ang umawit, si Ken. Ken, I love your confidence. The way that you performed tonight, sobrang hinog na hinog ka na. Alam mo kung kailan ka pupunta sa kaliwa, alam mo kung kailan ka pupunta sa kanan. And parang in control ka, kaya yung mga tao na carry mo talaga. And gustong-gusto ko rin the way kang mag-execute ng high notes, tapos yung low notes mo, ang powerful. Kung ano yung hiningi ng kanta, yun ang ibinigay mo. Kaya naman, I loved your performance.
Thank you po.
Punta tayo kay Nepay. Ang kakaiba mong pangalan. Ito lang talaga ang ko sa'yo, na sana yung husay mong sumulat, sana pumasok sa confidence mo. Kasi minsan parang medyo mahihain ka pero
Actually
gusto
po.
kong sabihin na napakahusay mo, yung galing mo nandoon. When you write songs, napakadaling memoryahin ng melody, mga lyrics na kahit nasa bahay ka na, paulit-ulit mo pang maririnig. And you have a way of writing songs na hindi mo kinokomplika yung mga bagay-bagay. Kaya ang daling pumasok sa puso ng mga tao. Kaya sobrang bilib ako sa inyong dalawa, sa'yo, Nepay. Congratulations! I'm so proud of you too.
Maraming
Thank you
maraming
po.
salamat. Thank you po, mentor.
Thank you very much, Mentor Yang. And now let's hear from Ice.
Wag na. Sabi na nila lahat. Hindi, joke lang. Actually, nakakatuwa kayong panoorin. I think this is, one of a good example na it's a really good partnership because you bring out the best in each other, di ba? Na parang, yun yung dapat yun yung dapat sa duo, yung ikaw, Ken, sa boses mo, lalong gumaganda yung sulat ni Nifay. At ikaw din, Nifay, di ba? Parang pag ikaw yung nagbibigay rin ng mga magagandang mailalabas pa ni Ken. So, ang ganda nito and hindi madalas mangyari yan. So, I think, bigyan nyo pa ng, mas mabibigyan nyo pa ng magandang value yung sarili ninyo. Natutuwa ako, sobrang happy ako sa kinalabasan. Napaka-versatile, no? Ibang-iba yung unang kanta sa pangalawa. Pero dahil magaling ka manulat at magaling ka ring singer, nakayanan mo siyang pangatawanan. So, good job, guys.
Thank you po.
Salamat, mentor.
Thank you very much, judges. An amazing